large population in Northeast India who lives in remote areas, sensitive border areas and underdeveloped areas does not have access to education. And in absence of proper education, degradation occurs in moral and ethical values in society. As a result, a lot of negativity rises among the society, which becomes a threat to national integrity. In 1979, a non-government educational organization, Sishu Shiksha Samiti Assam, was formed under the guidance of Vidya Bharati. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens. To build up a healthy society, Sishu Shiksha Samiti Assam decided that Vidya Bharati School in Assam will be named after Mahapurush Shankardev, a tribute to his enormous contributions towards socio-cultural life of Assam. Accordingly, a large number of schools under this Samiti has been gradually increasing, and as on date, 520 schools are functioning where near about 1.6 lakh students are studying under the valuable guidance of near about 9,000 acharyas. The Mool Mantra of Sishu Shiksha Samiti is Savidyaya Vimukti. The organization believes that all-round development of society has to be achieved only through education. It aims to develop the students physically, mentally, and spiritually, and make them capable of facing challenges of daily life and thus contribute to nation building. This organization initiates 5 fundamental steps of education such as Sharirik, which is physical, Yoga, Sangeet, that means music, Sanskrit, Naitik and Adhyatmik, moral and spiritual. The main activities of Sishu Shiksha Samiti Assam are Shishu Vatika, Lalayat Panchabarchani, Valika Shiksha, that means woman education, Vandana Sabha, physical education, Satra Bharati, students assembly, Yoga, Panchapadi Shiksha, a special teaching process with lesson plan, teachers training, tour programs for students for learning and exchanging of knowledge. According to Bharatiya culture, the Vidya Bharati has implemented yoga education in the schools. Last year, there are 41 numbers of students got rank in the state board examination and also got the first rank from our Niketan. This year also a favorable results has obtained by our students. Regular practices of sports and games are done in the Niketan during the working period. Niketan is also organizing various sports competition from school to national levels. All the textbooks and manuscripts of Sishu Shiksha Samiti Assam are published by Prakashan Bharati. Sishu Shiksha Samiti Assam also organizes Gyan Vigyan Mela at Prantiya level, where students participate in practical-based science exhibition, model representations, etc. With proper vision and dedicated workers' hard work, Sishu Shiksha Samiti reforming our societies through education and other social work activities.